If you love adding little extra touches to gifts or cards, this is the cutest thing ever. I love giving cards to my neighbors during the holidays, and this gave me the perfect excuse to try a wax seal stamp, and I'm obsessed. I also have pet bunnies, so anything with a rabbit just has my heart. And honestly, this made the whole experience so much more fun, because sometimes a gift or card just feels a little plain, like it's missing that special personal touch. This is a double-sided brass wax seal stamp, and it has 2 adorable rabbit designs you can switch between. You get one compact wax seal stamp with a 15mm brass stamp head, so it's slightly smaller and super detailed. It's made from durable polished brass, so it gives a really clean, crisp look every time. You can use it on envelopes, gift wrapping, invitations, even little DIY projects, and it's small and portable, so it's easy to store or take with you. If you want to make your cards and gifts feel extra special, you need to try this, because it's the little details that people remember.